Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S25 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. So first of all, let's tap on this auto set time and tap on off. Now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just swipe and confirm it. Here in the time format we can turn off this option, and now we can manually decide what kind of format we want to use. So either 12-hour format or 24-hour format, just by tapping on the switcher. Here we can also set the time zone either automatically or simply select it manually. Just tap on this option, find the zone and tap on it, and it will be immediately applied. And the dual is clicked, so it's dual clock, so it's totally up to you whether you want to use it or not. So that was the manual customization of date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here and choosing the network provided time or GPS provided time to use it automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.